What's up, everybody? I'm saying, I got it again. Today we're at Lazy Dog. Check it out. Got some ribs right here. Whole bunch of ribs with some fries, the coleslaw. Got pineapple mojito right here. All pretty good. Looks good, looks good. About to chow down, let you know how it is. First, well, I can let you know right now. Hold up. Let's take a bite real quick.
Oh my god. And he's I know you're here, but I told her I go,
ribs are good. Hell yeah. Fire ass ribs. French fry. Tastes French. Mashed potatoes. Oh, tastes good. Who's good here? You guys ever been to Lazy Dogs? Try it out. Let you know how it is. Get smashing this down. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, buddy. Now I'm saying, we just wrapped it up right now. Let's finish all our food. Pretty much that's all we got left right here. 2 ribs and some French fries. Table's empty, table's empty. Nice spot outside. Cool little scenery right here. Not too bad. You guys gotta hit this up if you haven't had it. Good spot. Alright guys, have a good one. Alright, bye.